1Cademy is a collaborative, online community that supports interdisciplinary research and learning through content generation, mapping, evaluation, and practice. 1Cademy is composed of a hierarchical map structure consisting of several nodes and the links between them. Nodes are rectangular boxes that contain a variety of content. These can range from granular concepts and relations to questions and references. Links, on the other hand, describe a node's relationship with other nodes as pre- and post-requisites. 1Cademy users create propositions for new nodes and edits to existing nodes. These propositions are then voted on by their fellow 1Cademy users to determine if those changes are either implemented or discarded. Thus, 1Cademy is a platform where all of its content is both created by and moderated by its users. Let's get started. Go to www.1cademy.com. There, you'll see the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and hit the Sign In button. Otherwise, click on Need to create an account in the top right corner. Here, you should enter your first name, last name, an email from an academic institution, as well as a secure password. After reading through the terms of use, privacy policy, and cookie policy, click on the Sign Up button to finish making your account. After creating your account, you should make sure to upload a profile picture so that your collaborators can easily recognize you. To do so, click on the icon in the lower left-hand corner to open up the toolbar. Click on the profile picture and then select the picture you would like to upload from your computer. When you log into 1Cademy, you will see a screen similar to this one. Here, you can see some nodes, the button to toggle the toolbar, and the buttons to toggle the sidebar. We'll go more into the functionality of each of these in later videos. For now, let's try examining a node. Let's take a closer look at the 1Cademy node. You may need to readjust your view in order to see it. You can do this by clicking anywhere on the map outside of the node and dragging, or by using the arrow keys. You can zoom in and out of the map by using the mouse wheel. Click on the maximize icon in the upper right-hand corner of the node to expand it. Then, click on the button with the arrows in the lower right-hand corner of the node to open the list of parent and child nodes. When we click on a child node, it will automatically open and jump to that node. We can now click on the minimize icon to collapse the node, and we can click the X icon to close the node. Closing a parent node may leave child nodes hanging at the root of the map. When you open up a new node while you have many existing nodes open, 1Cademy may automatically reconfigure the nodes to ensure that there is enough space. It will try to cluster nodes together by their first tag. If you would like to see these clusters in more detail, you can hit the Show Clusters Boundary button in the sidebar. This will toggle boxes around each cluster, as well as show you the primary tag that that cluster is associated with. Click on the button again to hide the boundaries. Having too many nodes open can cause your screen to become visually cluttered and may cause your browser to slow down. Therefore, it is highly advised that you remove any nodes that you are currently not using. On the right-hand side of the screen is a sidebar. The sidebar contains several tools to help organize nodes and their properties, as well as to view and interact with other users. Open up the sidebar by clicking on any of the orange buttons on the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you can see a list of information related to that sidebar tab. For particularly long pages, you may need to use the scroll bar to navigate downwards. You can hit the up arrow to scroll back to the top of the sidebar. Close the sidebar by pressing the X in the upper right-hand corner. On the lower left-hand side of the screen is a button to open the toolbar. The toolbar contains information about the current user, including the profile picture, user stats, and default tag. You can click on the red button with the right-facing arrow to log out. Click on the green button with the left-facing arrow to close the toolbar. If you're ever confused about something in 1Cademy, expand the 1Cademy node and look at its associated children. You can find all the information about the site and how it works there. Those are the basic controls and interfaces in 1Cademy. In the next video, we'll go more into detail about nodes and the node toolbar.